Ever wondered how much it'd cost to ditch those pesky monthly subscriptions and finally achieve financial freedom with PocketGuard? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the PocketGuard lifetime subscription cost, exploring its features, and helping you decide if it's the right fit for your budgeting journey. Imagine a world where your finances are always in check, where you know exactly where your money goes, and where saving becomes effortless. That's the promise of PocketGuard. But before you jump on the lifetime bandwagon, let's break down the costs and see if it's worth the investment. Exploring PocketGuard's lifetime value. So, how much does PocketGuard lifetime actually cost? While the exact price might vary depending on promotions or sales, it's generally a one-time payment that's significantly higher than the monthly or annual subscription. But is it worth it? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Benefits of a lifetime subscription. Long-term savings. By opting for a lifetime subscription, you're essentially locking in the current price and avoiding potential future price increases. No monthly hassle. Say goodbye to recurring payments and the hassle of managing your subscription. Full access to features. Enjoy all of PocketGuard's premium features without any limitations. Considerations before buying. Initial investment. The upfront cost of a lifetime subscription can be a significant investment. Make sure it aligns with your financial goals and budget. Changing needs. If your financial habits or goals change significantly in the future, a lifetime subscription might not be the best option. Alternative budgeting tools. Consider other budgeting tools or apps that might offer similar features at a lower cost. Making an informed decision. Ultimately, the decision to purchase a PocketGuard lifetime subscription is a personal one. If you're committed to long-term financial management and believe that PocketGuard's features will significantly benefit your budgeting journey, the lifetime option might be a worthwhile investment. So, there you have it. We've explored the cost of PocketGuard lifetime, its benefits, and the factors to consider before making a purchase. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, and the right tools can make a significant difference. Whether you choose a lifetime subscription or opt for a more flexible plan, the most important thing is to take control of your finances and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with PocketGuard, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy budgeting.